Hello everybody. No. Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to be trying to do a super quick out the door makeup look. Hopefully in less than 10 minutes. I'm not sure I can do that, but we're gonna give it a try. So, to start off with, we're not going to use any primer. So let's get started. I'm going to start with concealer because I can't go without concealer because I have such dark circles under my eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and go like that. Now I'm going to put a little bit around my nose because it's so red. That's all we're going to do. Then we're going to blend this out. Since I'm not going to be using any eyeshadow, I want to go ahead and put some concealer up there on my eyelid too. I don't know if I got enough, but it's too late now because we're in a hurry, right? This is out the door because we're running late. I'm not really running late, but that's what we're pretending. We're running late. We need to get gone. So just get that all blended in. And then we're going to go in and set that with our Essence Brighten Up powder. Pretty much just any brighten or translucent powder that you like. But I'm using my Essence Banana powder. And then I'm going to take this and go right down my nose, even though I don't know why I'm doing that because I'm going to be putting foundation, powder foundation, right over the top of this. So we're going to go in with our Makeup Forever. I should have had this open, huh? Powder foundation, and I just saw Nicole Guerrero say that using the other side is better, so we're going to try that. All right, that looks good to me. So now we're going to go in and we're going to do our eyebrows. And I'm just going to use my CATRICE pencil. Because I really love my Eyebrow, but I do think this is faster when I need to get out the door. Although I do think the Eyebrow covers this little scar I have in my eyebrow better. And I just do a quick outline drawing and then fill it in a little bit. And that is good enough for today. Now I'm going to line my eyes because these are my things that I can't get away without doing. If I don't if I don't push line my eyes, they just look too droopy. And I'm going really fast, even though I'm not in a hurry, because that way you see, you know, the mistakes I might make when I'm going too fast. And then I take my brush and I smudge this up into a nice line to lift this outer corner of my eye. And that was the Maybelline Tatoo liner in Deep Onyx, which is black. Then I would take my eyelash curler and curl my lashes real quick. I'm using my big Monsieur Lancome mascara. Did I do both? I did. I think. And then, since I've only used 6 minutes, I would go in with just a little bit of contouring down my nose. And I'm using my Pro Glow palette from Tarte. Just adding a little depth. And that would be it. Actually, I would take and do that. And then I would add some lipstick, which is this. And this is a BAREMINERALS one. I will link everything I use down below. Oh, I forgot one other thing. Since we had 3 minutes left, or 2 minutes left, I would add setting spray. Because that takes like 2 seconds, right? And you're out the door, because you don't even have to wait for it to dry. It's going to dry. I'm going to make it dry, though. And that's it. And now it's glowy, too. But that's it. And it took 8 minutes. I can't get it to stop there. Actually, less than 8 minutes. And I would be out the door. This is my 10-minute makeup look. What do you think? Except it didn't even take 10 minutes. I probably could go in and put some blush on, huh? And some highlight. I would just take my brush that I always use for my blush, and I wouldn't even put any blush on it. I would just go like that. And then it would just give me just enough, and I'm out the door. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!